Hey guys, what is up? It's Reese Tafso back with another video. Today's video, I'm going to be talking about the public profiles that have been rolled out to everyone or most people in the United States, and how you can get a creator profile, what a creator profile is, what's the difference between a public profile, and all the above. So let's get right into this video. Starting off with the public profiles have been given out to random people around the United States and some in the UK. Now there is a difference between public profiles and creator profiles. Public profiles are a way to give you a bio, a profile picture, a way to give you highlights, and lastly to show off your lenses. It does not give you insights, it does not allow you to sign roles, and it doesn't allow you to see insights. Now how can you see insights and see all these things? Well, to be able to see them, you want to have a creator profile. A creator profile comes with roles, insights, and lets you put a website link in your bio. Now many people have been asking, how do I post to my public profile? When you have a public profile, it is mostly just for Spotlight and so people can subscribe to you. So you can't post to your public profile until you have a creator profile. How do you get a creator profile? As you can see, you can now show your subscribers. So when you have 10,000 subscribers, you will automatically be changed to a creator profile where you will now have insights and be able to assign roles. To get to a verified account, you now have to have 100,000 subscribers or be a lens creator that has original lenses. Now, how do you get a public profile? Because many people have been asking me. Right now they are being rolled out to random people or people with 5,000 plus subscribers, but not all people are getting them. You don't need to have a certain amount of time on Snapchat. As long as you have an account, you will get one at one point or another. Alright guys, that's everything for today's video. I just wanted to give you a quick update on the public profiles, what they were, who gets what, and what creator profiles are. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I have more videos coming out this week, so stay tuned for that.